Hello everyone. In this C programming video, we're going to be going over structs. So this code demonstrates the use of structures in C, which allows grouping multiple related variables into a single unit. So as an overview of this program, the program defines a structure named person to store a person's details, which in this case are name as a character array, age as an int, and then height as a float. So, and then in the main, it declares and initializes a structure variable person1 with sample data. It then accesses and prints the structure's members using the dot operator. So let's get into specifically how it works. So for this, we're only using the stdio library because we only need to print out members of the structure using the printf. But first, we have to define a structure, so we can see that on line 4. So the struct keyword is used to identify a structure named person. It contains 3 members. So first is a name, a character array to store a string, an age, which is an integer for storing the person's age, and then height, which is a float for storing the person's height. The next part of this is declaring and initializing a structure variable. So in the main, we're using the keyword struct again, and then person as the capital, as you can see, it's yellow and underlined in Visual Studio Code here. And then we're calling this person person1. And then it's declared and initialized with the values kind of like it kind of looks like an array. So Kyle is the name, 23 is the age, and then 6.1 is the height. Next, we're going to actually assess and print out the structure members. So first we're printing out printf name, and then we're using the s specifier, format specifier, and then we're passing in person1 dot name. Okay, so in this case, that's going to be Kyle. Next, on line 16, we're printing out the age using the D format specifier, and we're passing in person1 dot age. So in this case, that's going to be 23. And then finally, we're using the printf function to print the height using the F format specifier to 1 decimal place, and we're passing in person1 dot height. So in this case, it is 6.1. So there are 3 main concepts illustrated in this video. Structures group related data together, and it makes it easier to manage complex data. The dot operator is used to access structure members, so you could also think of it as particular attributes. And then structures help in organizing data logically, especially when dealing with real-world entities, like a person, for example. So in summary, this code and program effectively demonstrates how to create, initialize, and use structures in C. So let's test it out. Let's run the program. As we can see here, it prints out the name, Kyle, the age, 23, and then the height, 6.1 feet. So I hope this video was informative. Please comment if you have any questions. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and have a great day.